Hi, this is Dr. Jason McCullough, Complete Health Chiropractic, the People's Chiropractor. Hey, I wanted to talk to you a little about an advice we have in our office called the posture pump. We have a lot of patients ask, after I get adjusted, what do I do about that curve in my neck to get that curve restored? Well, we actually utilize the posture pump in our office. And so remember, you live your life through your nervous system. The brain sends the signals to the body and the body sends the signals back to the brain. Now, as long as that happens, your body functions well. But due to stress, there's causes misalignments in the spine, and those are called subluxations because they interfere with the communication between the brain and the body. So after you get adjusted, what we actually have you do is come on over here. We have you lie down, and the posture pump actually puts the curve back into your neck. And the way it does it is there's a little balloon underneath her neck here, and she uses this little device and it pumps it up, just a few pumps, 8 to 10 pumps, and there's a valve here to release it. So go ahead and share your lid and do that. We have the patient do it themselves. Good, perfect. And then she releases it. Wonderful. So if you'd like to try out the posture pump, feel free to give us a call at 402-488-0288 or find us on the web at chclincoln.com. You can also check out the rest of the videos on our YouTube page. Feel free to do that. If you like this video, like it, share it if you want to. If you have any comments, feel free. And also subscribe to the channel. Look forward to seeing you soon.